Okay, this is how to make the ceiling with the molding with the follow me tool. First of all, we can make the rectangle in here. We can make the any size of the rectangle. Okay, then we can click and now we can select push and push it up in here and just like this. Okay, then now we can double click, right click and make group. Okay, then now we can move and just move it up a little bit in here. Okay, approximately just like this. Then now we can make the another variation of the ceiling. We can click the surface and select the offset and offset it inside. We can offset it inside around I have to adjust this one. Okay, we can offset it inside around 1 meter and enter in here. Then we can click and push it up a little bit around 350 millimeter in here or if we if we want to make it if we want to make the curve, we can offset it inside again 1 meter in here, and then we can make the curve with the 2-point arc. Okay, just like this. Okay, then we can make this one with the 2-point arc tool. Okay, and with this one. Okay, then we can click and push it up 350 millimeter again in here. Then we can make the duplication of this line. We can select the line. We can select the line with hold the press shift in here. Okay, then we can select edit copy, exit from the group and edit paste in place. Then we can select move and move it up a little bit in here. Okay, then we can make the profile of the moldings in here. Okay, we can make the basic profile first with the rectangle, and then we can make the profile manually with line. Okay, we can make slowly but sure in here. We can click erase and click, right click and erase. Then we can select the curve, the 2-point arc. Okay, and select the 2-point arc tool in here. We can erase, and now we can arc in here. Okay, and we can make the arc in here also. Then we can triple click and select move. Okay, then now we can move a little bit in here. Okay, then now we can select all of the line except the surfaces in here and select the follow me and just make this one. Okay, so it could be a drop ceiling with the curve or with the molding is in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then now we can move and move on the position as we want in here. Okay, and then now we can also change it with the wood materials in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, I will erase this one. Okay, and I will show you about this. Okay, thank you very much.